Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of exiting a group in WhatsApp Web. Sometimes, you may want to leave a group for various reasons, and we're here to help you with that. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Right-click on the desired group in the chat list. Step 3. A list of options will appear. Select Exit Group from the list. Step 4. A confirmation prompt will appear. Press Exit to confirm your decision. By following these simple steps, you have successfully exited a group in WhatsApp Web. This allows you to no longer receive messages or notifications from the group, giving you the freedom to focus on the conversations that matter most to you. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of exiting a group on WhatsApp Web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.